Okay, so in this video we are going to see uh, how to create the tables. So we can create it in two ways. So we'll discuss the first one, that is create a table department, and department has attributes that department number as a primary key and department name and manager start date as his date. So when he has become the manager. Now I have not used the manager SSN. So I have not used this. Why? Because manager SSN is dependent on your employee. So I have to create the employee table first, then only I can use a reference. But I can add this attribute later after creating the employee. So first I'll create this department table. So first one, then I will go and create the employee. So how to create an employee table? Create table employee with all your attributes with its value and the constraint. So I'm adding SSN as big int and as a primary key, name, the address of the employee, gender, salary, super SSN. Now see, it references same table, that is employee, which attribute SSN. SSN I have just given. Then the department number, because already department table is created, so I can refer now. So department number int references department number. Now after creating this, now I have to alter the table this because I have missed a manager SSN. Now I have created the employee table. After creating the employee, you can go and create the manager SSN and refer to SSN. So that's why there is one command that is called as schema change statements or schema change command, that is alter. The syntax is alter table name, that is department, add. So add means I'm adding a attribute to this. So I'm adding which attribute, that is manager SSN, which I have missed. Then big int, I'm giving its attribute. Same, we have to follow this rule. The attribute name, and its data type. And if it has any constraint, I have to add. So attribute type, big int, references, because manager SSN is referring to SSN of employee table. So references employee and SSN. So after creating means after altering my table, my department table now changed with 3 plus this one 4 attributes, which I require for my uh, the lab schema table. So this department table. So after that, I can proceed with the third one, that is create table D location, that is department number. It refers to the D number refers to department D number and D location where it is. Now I'm making it as primary key, the D location. Why? Because those two should be unique. Means uh, these are like candidate keys. So that's why it is primary key, department number, and D location. Then fourth one is create table. So create table project as project number as a primary key and project name, location. Then there is a department number which references department's department number. I am adding that. So whenever you are using any references, please look into uh, these data types what you have used in the parent table. Means department table D number is used, so D number is from department, so it should be like int. So what will happen if I use big int? So in this time I won't get any error, but it is not a standard practice. So practice should be like the data types what you have used in the parent table should be used in your reference, means foreign keys. Okay, so the next one is works on. So this is the last one. Why? Because it is dependent on, according to our schema diagram, it dependent on employee as well as uh, employee and project. So the moment you create a project, then only you can create works on. So that's why the works on is last after creating the project. So SSN is a SSN is a reference key, employee SSN, then project number, then hours, number of hours. How many hours is, I'll just show you how many hours is 2. So I'm giving 2 here, int of 2. Why? Because I want to only take like two uh, two numbers, like 12 up to 99. If you insert 100, I will get a error. So I'm making it as 2 hours. So maximum hours is worked is from 0 to 99. So primary key is SSN. So whenever I write a primary key, and this means this actually a candidates, means the combination of SSN and P number should be unique. The combination should be unique. Okay, means same SSN and project number I have only once. So you have to insert only once. There has to be a change in uh, the either SSN or project number. So that is how we will insert. Means he can work on only uh, one project at a time. He can work on multiple projects, but only one value should be inserted. So we'll see that how we can insert the values. So this is how we can create our tables. But this is one way. So I can change this. I can change into a second way how we can create. Okay, so this is the other way of creation. So I can create a employee table first. So employee, SSN, name, all the things, but I will leave here the department number because I don't know because when I create a department number, the department table is not created still. So I will leave this. Then again, I will create the department table. Now the manager SSN can be used because employee table is already created, so I can refer it. Now after creating the department, I should go back to employee table and alter it. So now it changes like alter table, table name is employee, add which attribute is department number, which I have missed, references, department, department number. So department number. So this is how we can create in two ways for this lab program. So next are continuous like third and fourth because we have not changed much here. We have not changed much. So I can create it in same way which I have done in the previous way. That is here. So I can do it in this way. Okay, so either you proceed with this approach or the other approach, both are correct.